Mercedes-Benz A-class, and Audi A3, might be the smallest compact sedan. But that doesn't mean buyers won't get the luxury, or the driving enjoyment that you will get from other expensive ones. Stay with me, as I walk you through Audi A3, and Mercedes-Benz A-class. Please subscribe, and turn on the notifications so you won't miss any new video. Thank you. To say the new A3 styling is a complete departure from the last model would be an overstatement. But Audi has certainly dialed up the aggression here. Now with LED headlights and single-frame honeycomb grille. In the rear, the taillight design looks far more complex. Audi did not reveal the A3's US engine options, but the current generation of A3 offers either 184 horsepower and 221 pound-feet of torque, or 228 horsepower and 258 pound-feet of torque. So expect similar, or a bit higher figures for the next generation. And sprint 0 to 60 in 5.4 seconds. Audi has once again granted its best technology to its smallest car in the US. The pop-up screen is gone, replaced by a 10.1-inch touchscreen display. Apple CarPlay and Android Auto come standard, while built-in navigation is optional. Audi's virtual cockpit is now a standard feature. A 10.3-inch screen in the gauge cluster, and a larger 12.3-inch cluster with a HUD, is also available. Mercedes-Benz has been on fire with their latest batch of styling sedans. The 2020 Mercedes-Benz A-class, stunning exterior design is one of them, with the A-class sharing its swooping lines with the likes of the updated E-class. The front of the 2020 A-class is adorned with sharp LED headlights and that signature Merc grille, which includes LED daytime running lamps. Moving to the rear reveals a set of sporty exhaust tips and more LED lighting. Standard exterior features include 17-inch alloy wheels, a panorama roof. Optional features include active LED headlamps with adaptive high beam assist, power folding side mirrors, and an AMG body styling kit, along with 18-inch AMG wheels. Powered by 2.0-liter turbo inline-4, 188 horsepower, and 221 pound-feet of torque. Paired with 7-speed automatic transmission with front-wheel drive. All-wheel drive is optional. And 0 to 60 in 7.1 seconds. Mercedes-Benz gets a lot of things right, but what they do best at the moment is to create beautiful interiors that exude refinement and luxury. Standard features on the 2020 A-class include MBUX infotainment system, power front seats with 3-position memory, power lumbar support, and adjustable cushion lengths for the front seats. A 3-spoke steering wheel with leather trim and touch control buttons. Optional extras include 64-color LED ambient lighting with illuminated vents, heated and ventilated front seats, and a heated steering wheel.